Once upon a time in a whimsical forest, there lived a tiny squirrel named Squeaky and a little bluebird named Bella. Squeaky was known for his boundless energy, always darting around, searching for nuts and acorns to store for the winter. Bella, on the other hand, had a melodious voice and loved singing her heart out from the highest branches of the trees. One sunny morning, Squeaky was busily collecting acorns when he heard Bella's beautiful song echoing through the forest. Mesmerized by her enchanting melody, he decided to follow the sound to its source. As he climbed up the tall trees, he caught glimpses of Bella perched on a branch, her feathers glowing in the morning sunlight. As the days went by, Squeaky and Bella spent more and more time together. They would go on adventures, chasing fireflies in the evenings, and having playful races through the treetops. Their friendship blossomed, and they became inseparable. One evening, as the sun set, casting a warm golden glow over the forest, Squeaky and Bella sat together on a branch, their tails wrapped around each other. Squeaky mustered up the courage to tell Bella how much she meant to him. "Bella," he said with a soft voice, "I can't imagine a day without you. You make my heart sing with joy, and I want to be your acorn-gathering partner for life." Bella blushed, her feathers turning a shade of pink, and replied, "Oh, Squeaky, you make every moment magical. I would love nothing more than to be your singing companion forever." And so, under the starlit sky, they promised to be each other's best friends forever, supporting and loving each other through every adventure and challenge that lay ahead. From that day on, the forest seemed even more enchanted, as Squeaky and Bella's laughter and song filled the air. They became the cutest and happiest pair, reminding everyone that true friendship knows no bounds, and that love comes in all shapes and sizes. And so, they lived happily ever after, inspiring all the creatures of the forest with their unwavering friendship and love. Their tale became a favorite bedtime story for generations, and the memory of Squeaky and Bella's adorable adventures lived on forever in the hearts of all who heard it.